Welcome you all for a new video from Swasti Wellness. Today, this video is about double masking. Why? Why double masking is needed? More than 1 year, we have been wearing masks whenever we go outside because we know that masks help us to prevent COVID-19 infection. Now, situation become more critical and COVID cases are increasing day by day. So, we need double protection from double masking against the transmission of COVID 19. It also prevents smallest gaps which can leak respiratory droplets in the air to your nose and mouth. Why two surgical masks not recommended for double masking? Because more of the air would leak around the seal as the resistance through the mask increases and less air would be filtered. Whenever we use two surgical masks together, there is a chance of leakage of air and risk of infection is more. It has been found that a two-layer cloth mask can prevent more infection than a loose-fit surgical mask. So, it is not a good idea to wear two surgical masks together. And if you wear N95 masks, there is no need of double masking because N95 mask can prevent around 95% of infection. So, N95 mask plus cloth mask is not needed. Varieties of surgical masks are available which are disposable. Always buy a mask with nose clip which helps to cover the nose area and also we can adjust the mask in the shape of the nose. We can practice a method that is knot and tuck method. If you have a loose surgical mask, never ever use it because the risk of infection is more when you wear a loose mask. So, fold and tuck the unneeded material, that is the elastic cord. These are some of the facts you have to remember while using the mask. Wash the cloth mask daily in hot water. Wear a mask properly, covering the nose, mouth, and the chin. Avoid sharing mask between family members. After removing any mask, sanitize your hands thoroughly. Throw a disposable mask in a covered bin. Change your mask and wear a new one at frequent intervals. These are the things you should not do. Don't put your mask around the neck or chin. Don't wear wet mask. Don't touch the mask often. Do not remove the mask while speaking. Do not remove the mask if you have to sneeze. Don't put a mask on a child younger than 2 years of age. In 2020, COVID 19 infection started to spread all over India, and our motto was to wear mask, do hand washing frequently, and social distancing, that is, stay 6 feet apart. Even though we followed all these, again the cases are increasing. So in 2021, we have to follow double masking, frequent hand washing, social distancing, that is 6 feet social distancing is compulsory, avoid crowds and get vaccinated. It's not possible for us to do hand washing always when we are outside, and in emergency cases we need to go to hospital and social distancing sometimes it's not possible, but always wearing mask is very important and it is very easy. So the mask will act as a real barrier, and wear the mask properly, dispose it properly, and be safe. Thank you for listening this. Be healthy and be happy.